If you've been paying attention and can identify the signs your man is losing interest, it's possible to salvage things and reroute from the negative direction you're headed in. It may seem counterintuitive, but what you want to do is usually exactly what you shouldn't do. So do nothing and just subscribe my channel. It is easier said than done. First of all, don't freak out. You may feel pursuing him, it may seem like the only way to catch him. It's going to make him run the opposite way. If you don't hear from him and you let it go, and you never hear from him again, you have all the information you need. It was never going to work out anyway. Don't keep on waiting for him. If he's unsure about relationship, you don't need to get your life off the track. Do not make yourself miserable. Live your life with your friends and family. Your life should never revolve around a man or a relationship. 3. Remember how great you are. When you really like someone, you can start to feel like he is the prize and you need to win him. This is all wrong. You shouldn't feel anxious thinking that you need to prove your worth to someone or show to them that you are a great catch. Just do your thing and live your life. Your vibe will attract your tribe. Date other people. It can be hard to see other men as viable option when you have your heart set on one specific guy. But this is the key to having the right mindset, the single mindset. He is not your boyfriend and you shouldn't treat him like one, especially when he appears to be losing interest. You are both still learning about each other, and if he begins to show signs that he's not that into you, take that information and moderate your own behavior to match his. And the last thing you should do, work on yourself. In the course of the relationship, if you feel that you have lost yourself in taking care of your partner, give yourself time. Be the best version of yourself that you love.